Okay, so it's actually true that you shouldn't charge your phone to 100% every time. And there's a reason why. Because your battery life will not last long, or what they call lifespan. And you want your battery's lifespan to last longer than everyone else's. So make sure you turn on this feature. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 battery tips you need to change to make your battery last longer and save your battery's lifespan. But before all that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do on your Samsung phone is go to your settings and you'll find display. Tap on that. Change your phone from light mode to dark mode. You can even schedule this if you want, but I wouldn't do it. I'll just keep my phone on dark mode so that I can save more battery. You can go up here and turn on this feature called adaptive brightness. What this will do is automatically adjust the brightness depending on what condition you're in. If it's darker, it will be brighter, and if it's lighter, it will be darker. Secondly, in your display settings still, you'll find screen resolution. You want to turn this to FHD plus because using it at WQHD takes more battery. And then you're gonna want to go back, go to motion smoothness and make sure it's on standard. This is 60 Hz. And if you want to put it on high, it uses more power, but it's 120 Hz, which will make your animation smoother. So if you like that, you can turn that on, but personally I turn it off because it makes your battery last longer, and that's the point of this video. Okay, so the next one is going to be going on your control panel and look for extra dim. Turn that on and your screen will be dimmed even more than it is right now, depending on whatever brightness you have on. On your control panel, we're going to go back all the way until we find power saving. But before we toggle on power saving, you can tap on that and go to details right here. You can set the CPU limit speed to 70%, but I don't want to slow down my phone, so I wouldn't do that. But you can decrease the brightness by 10%, which will help, and also limit apps and home screen. It looks like this after you turn it on. Let me just show you. It will look something like this. I'm sure you're very familiar with this. And if you want to exit this ultra power saving mode, just tap on these 3 dots and turn off power saving, and you're back to your normal ways of using your phone. But anyways, back to what I was saying, I don't use the limit apps and home screen, so I turn that off and I just turn on my power saving without that. So I don't decrease my CPU speed and limit apps and home screen. Those are 2 options I turn off. Okay, so it's actually true that you shouldn't charge your phone to 100% every time. And there's a reason why. Because your battery life will not last long, or what they call lifespan. And you want your battery's lifespan to last longer than everyone else's. So make sure you turn on this feature. Go to your settings, scroll all the way up until you find battery and device care. Tap on that and you're gonna want to hit battery. Make sure to toggle on this feature that's called protect battery. Doing this will extend the lifespan of your battery and limit the maximum charge to only 85%. So when you charge your phone, don't be surprised that it's not going to 100%. That's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you got any questions about the tips that I shared in this video or anything about Samsung devices or even your iPhone, make sure to comment below so that I can make a video for you guys. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.